So guys, let's test what happens when the voltage is in, when the batteries are connected in parallel and powered, and it powers the RC car. Wow, that's a lot of torque. Could compare with the previous video.